Number 1. Amazon Echo Spot 2024 release, Smart Alarm Clock with Vibrant Sound Alexa. A sleek smart alarm clock with Alexa and big vibrant sound. Ready to help you wake up, wind down, and so much more. Customizable smart clock, see time, weather, and song titles at a glance, control smart home devices, and more. Personalize your display with your favorite clock face and fun colors. Big vibrant sound, enjoy rich sound with clear vocals and deep bass. Just ask Alexa to play music, podcast. Number 2. Amazon Echo Dot, newest model, with bigger vibrant sound. Our best sounding Echo Dot yet. Enjoy an improved audio experience compared to any previous Echo. The Alexa for clearer vocals, deeper bass, and vibrant sound in any room. Your favorite music and content, play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and others, or via Bluetooth throughout your home. Alexa is happy to help. Ask Alexa for weather updates and to set hands-free timers. Number 3. Amazon Echo Show 5, newest model. Alexa can show you more. Echo Show 5 includes a 5.5 display so you can see news and weather at a glance, make video calls, view compatible cameras, stream music and shows, and more. Small size, bigger sound, stream your favorite music, shows, podcasts, and more from providers like Amazon Music, Spotify, and Prime Video, now with deeper bass and clearer vocals. Includes a 5.5-inch display so you can view shows, song titles, and more at a glance. Number 4. Amazon Echo, newest model, with premium sound, smart home hub. Premium sound, rich, detailed sound that automatically adapts to any room. Supports lossless HD audio, available on select streaming services such as Amazon Music HD, voice control your music, stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and more. HD requires a compatible music streaming service. Smart Home Hub, built-in hub to voice control compatible lights, locks, and sensors. Easily set up. Number 5. Amazon Echo Spot 2024 release, in Amazon Black Bundle with Amazon Smart Plug. This bundle contains Echo Spot Amazon Black and Amazon Smart Plug, customizable smart clock, see time, weather, and song titles at a glance, control smart home devices, and more. Personalize your display with your favorite clock face and fun colors, big vibrant sound, enjoy rich sound with clear vocals and deep bass. Just ask Alexa to play music, podcasts, and audiobooks. See song titles and touch too. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.